Hi everyone, today we will be checking out the Apexel Monocular Telescope. It is a telescope built for close-range viewing of anything. It comes in handy to zoom in on the view. Let's proceed to check out what is included in the set. Inside the box, users will find one carry-on pouch which looks really sleek in design. Once opened, everything looks neatly strapped. Inside there is the Apexel Monocular Telescope. One universal mobile phone clip is also included should users want to use the molecular lens to capture up-close shots. A lens wiping cloth is included too so users can use it to clean the lens of the monocular telescope. Lastly, a user guide is provided to provide users information on the scope should they want to know more about it. All packed nicely in the product packaging. On first impressions, the device feels solid. A wrist strap is provided so users can strap it to their wrist during their adventures to keep it with you at all times during your trip. The solid metal body is made of a durable material that makes it feel and look really high quality. On both sides of the monocular telescope, they come with a rubber protective covering to protect both sides of the lens from dust and scratches. Great! There is an adjustable focal knob where users can use it to toggle the focal length of their lens when in use. With the universal mobile phone clip, it clips on effortlessly onto my camera lens with ease. Super easy and user-friendly. As you see, once it's clipped, I can launch my camera and see a live footage of what I can see through the lens. It zooms in up to 6 times magnification, enabling me to capture things in greater clarity and detail from afar. I also can use it directly as a monocular lens during bird watching or insect watching sessions. Great multifunctional usage feature. Here is a video I took with the Apexel Monocular Telescope. As you see, I can see all the leaves and soil along with twigs and branches in clear detail. As compared to a view without the lens, these details will be left out. Here are some up-close shots I captured with the Apexel Monocular Telescope lens. The images I captured are of some nature scenes like leaves and twigs. They look really clear. I can see all the leaf patterns and designs along with branches in clear detail. I can inspect metalwork damage in clear detail too. Just look at the metal crack and rust which without the monocular lens, I won't be able to inspect in such vivid detail. Overall, I find the Apex's lens a great product which I can use it in different uses, like bird watching, or nature watching, or even for work where I can inspect metal structures in clearer quality with up-close monocular shots of metalwork to inspect for damages. If you want to know more about the Apex's monocular telescope, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.